to Sweetwater Cakes. I'm Michelle and this is my pal,
Ocean.
Today we are making
a leprechaun trap cake.
We don't want to have any of those pesky leprechauns stealing our gold, so what are we going to do?
We're going to make a trap him in the little space right here. And then he's not going to get our gold, so that's how it's going to work.
You may remember that last year, Ocean helped me make a leprechaun trap cake. So we caught the leprechaun last year. Let's see if we can catch the leprechaun this year. Let's get started and sweeten the world. Now you can see here that I already did a nice little crumb coat on the cake, and now we are just adding some of the grass. Ocean, you're doing such a great job.
Oh, that one was floppy.
Someone might need to come and mow this grass, huh?
Yeah, and that should be the leprechaun.
Oh.
They could eat it to death. Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, my hand hurts. Does your hand hurt too? That's a lot of grass, but
we did tons of grass.
But it looks amazing!
Doesn't it? If you think it looks amazing, please give us 3 thumbs up.
3. The leprechaun is going to fall in this trap right here. So we are going to add some little pretzels right along the edge for the leprechaun to fall in between.
We're adding some frosting to make it stick a lot more better.
You put on little tiny gold pieces and the leprechaun won't even know.
That is real.
Let's put a little bit more grass here to hide the pretzels. 1 piece right there. And 1 piece right here.
Then we're adding some frosting. Put it in.
Okay, I'll put some frosting on. And you put on the pretzel. So far, our leprechaun is going to climb up the ladder,
see
the
the
gold, and fall through. But how is the leprechaun supposed to know that the gold is up here?
Oh, I have an idea.
What?
We can make a rainbow.
Ooh, a rainbow. Let's make it. Why are we making a rainbow?
So the leprechaun knows that it's real gold. It looks beautiful.
So let's turn it to the other side here. And can you put a piece of tape on? And
Yep,
you put the tape on. Should we put the rainbow in?
Yes, we should.
Okay. And now our leprechaun knows that he needs to climb up the ladder and get the gold at the end of the rainbow. But then what happens when he gets the gold?
Trapping.
Trapping. Thank you so much for watching Sweetwater Cakes. Ocean and I had so much fun making this leprechaun trap cake.
And now we're gonna eat some. So make sure you watch more videos of Sweetwater Cakes. Sweetwater Cakes. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down, give us a big thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel.
You have a beautiful day and sweeten the world.
Bye!
What kind of grass is it?
Frosting.